Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far, and nice to meet you all. And today I'm going to share a tutorial, and this tutorial is based on questions from our friend in our community. So this one is coming from Karimov Graphix. I'm sorry if I couldn't pronounce your name. So how to create this effect with Canva. So actually I forgot to make this tutorial, so it reminds me again that there's a questions from Graphics World that can you please share how to do this. Alright, with my pleasure, I will do it. I'm going to share you. Actually I forgot to share this one, but thank you for reminding me. So I hope after watching this tutorial that you can make it by yourself. So make sure that you are already have a Canva Pro users. So if you are not yet have a Canva Pro users, guys, I suggest you to click this link that I gave on this video descriptions later on. So this one is official link and you can get it, and yours you can try for trials, and even though you can buy to get a full pro. So the benefit of having Canva Pro users is all the element inside of Canva, you can access it and you can use it. Alright, so that's the benefit. Alright, so before I redesign of this kind of questions, so I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sir Sarma. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. Alright, so this is all the element that I use in here. The first element is illustrations of a crow, and here I got it from element sections and just type in here. Alright, just type this name, illustrations of a crow. And the second one is broom. So I believe this one is like Halloween. Yeah, Halloween broom watercolor. Alright, so you can get it, this one. You can type on this element. Okay, so as I told you before, that this kind of design is easy to do in Canva, so you don't have to use other parties. So everything is in Canva as long as you are Canva Pro users, so you can make it. Alright, so actually I did mine already, so this is the result of the design. So this is the effect. Okay, but now we need to, I'm going to let you know what is the step of making of this design. Alright, so after you get all these elements, only this element is free. Okay, it's free, so you can get it. And the broom, you must be Canva Pro users, so this one, and you can use others, okay, if you would like to try. And now I need to copy this one and turning. Yes, I did already this one. I turned this one minus 90, and because to get a good result when downloaded, and we need to download it, this one. Make sure you click PNG and transparent background and check with current page, and then done and download it. So I did mine already, so that's why I'm not going to that process. So it's over here, so I did mine. Alright, so I will just pick it up, this one, I will just put in here. So this is all the result, and I will just put the result of downloaded. And now this element, now it become different, right? So edit image. So once you click this one, it will become edit image. So what we're gonna do is click this image, and there is shadow over here. Okay, and just scroll down on your Canva on the left side. So click see all, and there is 6 options in here, right? Glow, drop, and angle. I don't know, yeah, it's angle and curve, page lift, and backdrop. Okay, so because we are going to have these white lines over here, so we need to choose glue. Okay, so don't worry about this become black, the line is black, so you need to click one more time and make sure you need to choose the color white, and after that blur all the way back, okay, and transparency all the way forward, so you can see that strong white lines over there. And now arrange the size, so it's up to you how would you like to make how big the size of the white lines over here. Okay, until yes, so for me I like this one. And now after that you just apply. Remember, transparency all the way forward, blur all the way back, and size, it's up to you how thick the white line over here on your, if you're going to make the sticker effect. And after that, if you're happy with this and I'm happy as well, just click apply. Alright, so once you did this one, go back again, just click the image and edit image again, and go to shadows, click see all, and now what we're gonna do is to give a shadow. Okay, just to give a shadow. You can use this drop, okay, and you can arrange for example on the right side, okay, and the offset you can use this one, and the angle you can use it, and it's up to you. And I use this one angle, so that it's similar like this. And if you like to adjust and give some last touch, okay, so after arrange this one, now it's good to go and we are done. So it's not so difficult, it's easy. So as long as you are Canva Pro users, so you can get all the things inside in here and you can use it. So this is the way, easily the way how to do this kind of this effect, yeah, how to create this effect in Canva. Right, so I think I'm done, and there's nothing more to do, and I hope you can make it after watching this tutorial, and you can create your own as well. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe the channel to support. And if you don't like to get any notifications from this channel, you don't have to subscribe. You just keep watching. That's fair enough. Thank you guys, and see you again. Bye bye.